Ahoy hoy. This week on Sad Fernando Guitars, not a Gavin's Grotty Guitars, not a Resurrectionist, which is a new series I'm making, but an update. I'm building a guitar. I'm building a walnut guitar. I'm building a Walnut Strat. And the video coming up is showing you what I'm doing and how I've been doing it. Usually with still photos because it's easier to do. Why walnut? Why a Strat? Okay, probably the most famous walnut guitar is George Harrison's Walnut Telecaster. Somebody phoned me up saying, I've got some walnut, would you like it, Gavin? And I picked up 2 one-piece body blanks and 2 neck blanks from someone else actually. And I thought I'll put them together. I really enjoyed working with the Rastercaster with the rules to keep it down. Not to experiment to make it a wide neck or a flared body or something strange. So I thought, okay, this time I will do a straight Stratocaster. Probably as straight as I can get, to be perfectly honest, in my world. We've got a walnut neck, we've got a beautiful ebony fingerboard, and a walnut body, solid. Problem with walnut is it is quite heavy. So I've done what's known as a swimming pool route on it. I did it for 2 reasons. I hate the swimming pool route. When you buy a cheap guitar, they usually do the swimming pool route. For some reason, it's easier, I guess. I've done it for 2 reasons. First one is that it makes the whole guitar lighter, which it would need to be because it's quite heavy. And the second reason is that I want to do almost hot swappable scratch plates. So one's going to have 3 hot noiseless pickups in it, single coils, Fender ones, and the other one is going to have 2 humbuckers, but I'm going to have that on a 5-way switch as well. The 3 noiseless single coils are going to be on a blender pot as well, so you have a tone, volume, a tone, and then a blender pot, so you can have the full gamut of pickup choices. Anyway, enough of my yabbering. Here's some pictures and some videos of me putting it together. This is the first part. The second part will come when I've finished it. Until then, Toodle Pip. See you at the end of the video. Here's the test. Can I lift it? even with that solid walnut body. Yes. Wasn't that great? Anyway, thanks for watching. Should be something fairly normal next week, or the new series if I manage to edit it in time, and hopefully the rest of my cold will go. Subscribe here, more videos down here, and here come the cats. Many thanks. Toodle Pip.